The Manage Project screen allows you to view and organize all of your synced and archived projects. To get started, tap on Manage Projects from the Project Gallery screen. On the left side of your screen, your Kits projects are sorted under Sync Projects and Cloud Projects, and then by the year and month it was created or last modified. Sync projects are all projects in your Kits account that are currently downloaded onto your device. Archive projects are all projects accessible from our cloud storage that are not currently synced to your device. Projects older than 90 days are automatically archived to our cloud. To narrow down the view of your projects, click or tap a year and month. On the right, Kits will display details such as project name, last updated date, project number, and a thumbnail image preview of each project. To open a project, click or tap the name of the project, the project number, or the thumbnail image of the project. To delete a project, check the boxes beside the projects you want to delete. You can also use the All checkbox to select all projects. Tap the trash icon to delete the selected projects. A pop-up window will appear for you to confirm the deletion of your projects. Click or tap Yes to continue or No to cancel. To continue with deleting projects, click or tap Yes. Kits will run a sync to remove the selected project from your account. To duplicate a project, select the checkbox beside a project and click or tap the copy icon. The duplicated project will appear under the current year and month tab and will show the status Not Synced. Click or tap Sync Projects to save the project to the cloud. To retrieve archived projects so they are accessible on your device, click or tap Cloud Projects. Select the boxes beside the projects you want to sync, or use the All checkbox to select all archived projects. Click or tap Sync Projects. Your archived projects will now become synced projects and will be available under the current year and month tab. Use the search bar to quickly locate a project on your device. Click or tap on all projects to search within both synced and cloud projects. Click or tap on the search bar to enter text. Projects containing your search terms in their name will appear highlighted.